Maybe you've heard it already. Don't be a such showstopper. Stop complaining again when you express your skepticism or a kind of withdrawn towards the change initiative. Or maybe it happened to you when in such moments when the change was announced, you looked a little bit upset at your colleagues who were at the same time demonstrating enthusiasm for a new project when you saw low or even not justification for a given transformation. Yes, you might be a change skeptic, and to engage yourself for new experiences might cost you more time and energy than, for instance, for change jumpers. I am Aldona Blondin from ABCC, and let me inspire you with some options to feel less tension when a change arrives. First things first. Being skeptical has also its superpower. Not jumping immediately to the new situation, holding the time and making safe analysis is actually very requested during any change process. It can help the team to avoid some mistakes. Sure thing. The task here is not to be stuck in this cycle of never-ending questions and creating the next hypothesis scenario, what if? Rather focus on most important factors and topics and use your superpower, the change quotient, to make the transformation happen in the safest way. Learning about the change and feeling like the resistance wave is coming to you before it reaches your heart and head. Ask yourself the question, how should it work? What is the purpose behind? And push away as much as you can this kind of comments like, what again? It doesn't make any sense. We tried it already, but it didn't work. Let your curiosity to be unboxed. Don't push yourself with any false enthusiasm for the change if you feel lost and concerned. Saying, this is new idea, I need more time to think about it. It is really okay. Luckily, we are human beings, not robots. So no one can make us download updates and have the change implemented immediately. At the end, there is no magic here. This is the process. To develop your or your team change readiness competence, it takes time and some effort. Nevertheless, it's worth doing it, because changes, they will come, even if you don't like them. I will be glad to assist you or your team in this development process. Aldona Blondin, your positive change coach.